Hi everyone, and here I will show you how to do a floor patch. Here is some concrete chipping out. You see, it's not much, but it needs to be filled up with Planipatch right here and here. So let's go. So for this job we need primer for Planipatch, drill with mixer and long white trowel, bucket and water. It should be like sour cream, and then we can add primer. Okay, it's ready to use. Fill up holes with this Planipatch. It's really economical material because just you can use a little bit, but you can fill whole imperfection what you have on your subfloor. This material very sticky. You can compare if you wanna do it with concrete leveling material, underlayment. I mean, it's not so perfect filling up all this spots, and this material very sticky. So when you apply it, it's hard to remove. For concrete, you have to add primer first and clean up the whole place. But this, just add a little bit. You can use with primer or without primer. Primer make more this material more sticky to the subfloor. And this material you can use for any type of subfloor, for concrete, for wood. But self-leveling and Planipatch is something different. Because leveling, when floor has imperfection, some very big low spots or very high spots, and you need to make it more even, flat. But this material, it's very good to make all floor smooth without this chipping out and holes. So now you have to understand what the difference is. And another very important thing. So this Planipatch dry in during the half an hour, and usually in half an hour, maybe hour, you can start installation glue down. So, but if you're doing it with self-leveling compound, you have to wait, 1 or more days when it's getting dry. So this is a big difference. The key of this patch is use white trowel, because if your trowel will be not so white, it's very hard to pass some big imperfection. But with white trowel it's very easy and all floor will be smooth. Some places was so deep, and I did one more coat just over this to make it more flat without any low spots. When it's getting dry, all small bumps what left from the trowel you can remove with scraper, or you can take the grinding wheel. Just doing it grinding, just try to make it smooth like I showed you in previous videos. You see, this job is not really hard and everybody can do it. If you have any question, leave some comments and I can answer you. See you on next video. Thanks for watching.